Adventure Week is live with Toedscool debuting in forests and shiny Wiglett at beaches, but what if you can't travel to these biomes? Here's how to catch them all from home, without bans or missed spawns. First, target forests for Toedscool. Enter coordinates for Brazil's Parque Ibirapuera grassland, a hotspot with dense spawns. In MagFone, select multi-spot mode, plot a route through the park, and watch Toedscool appear instantly. Evolve it to Toedscool with 50 candies farmed here.